Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your January 2021 readings, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the month of January 2021. Okay, so first of all, happy new year to all of you and good luck for this new year with new beginnings. All right, so let's get started with your reading now. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is going to be a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. All right, so to book a personal reading by me, you can also DM me or message me in my Facebook or Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. And you can also click the link for both of my accounts, which is given in the description box below if you want. Let's see what's there for my Sagittarius and their person. So this is going to be a love reading for January 2021 for my Sag and their person. Let's see now what is there for my Sagittarius and their person. What's there, please? What's the messages from the universe for my Sagittarius and their person? All right, one more. Isn't this so different? Oh my god, I mean, we have 3 kings and we have a knight. We have 4 out of, oh my god, page of wands. So we have suits and suits. So it might be a lot of people might be involved in your situation, Sag, or might be, you know, it can be a kind of, you know, competition for my Sagittarius. You know, people are just running for my Sagittarius. Okay, so 8 of Pentacles with the Hanged Man in the back of the deck. So I'm seeing that it's that you are putting a lot of effort towards your situation, towards yourself, and you are more into your work, yourself, I'm seeing. And that is the reason, you know, you are being like, you know, you want to work on yourself, but somehow because of some or other reason, some or other person, it's like, I'm not able to do anything. I want to do work, I want to do a lot of, you know, organization in my life, but I'm not able to do anything. What is happening with me? So you're trying to figure out that thing, why I am going back towards those past memories, towards those past incidents, whatever happened. Something is not fine with you. All right, so Sagittarius, this King of Pentacles over here, I'm seeing that your energies towards your person is really high, but your person is you know, that kind of a person who just likes to come and go. Because with Knight of Pentacles, I don't really feel very good positive vibes with Knight of Pentacles. He's always in that mood where whenever he wants to come, he comes. Whenever he wants to go, he goes. Okay, so but you are stern in this thing. You have those feelings, you have something for this person, but it does not happen like this. Okay, so you want to come, you want to go, it does not work like that. You feel that with your person. Let's see what else do we have with the King of Pentacles. Why the King of Pentacles is here? The Chariot and the Moon. Interesting. So these both of the, so Moon for me is Pisces and Cancer, so Cancer and Cancer. So might be dealing with a Cancerian over here, or you know, that kind of a shift of mood I'm seeing, because with Cancers and with Moon, it's like a moody, you know, mood swings kind of a thing, where you are going towards this person, but when your mood swings, whenever it feels like, what am I doing, why I'm doing this with this person, what is happening with me, you just take a leap back. You know, you're going forwards, then you just go back, go forward, and then you go back. So you are also in this mood where your person is, but your person is such a, you know, your person is more of that kind of a person who shows their feelings, because over here you know the feeling, and there they don't even know that feeling with you. You know that you want to be with this person, but because of their actions, because of their not staying forever, it makes you feel like, why I am with this person, why I am not working on myself. So you have a question in your mind. Let's see why the Knight of Pentacles is here with you. Why the Knight of Pentacles is here for my Sagittarius. Knight of Pentacles. The Hanged Man. Okay, so this is that Hanged Man personality. They don't even know whether they love you, whether they like you, whether they want to be with you forever. They don't even know that. I don't feel that. See, Two of Pentacles. They are really disturbed. They don't know. They are trying to figure it out. They have other works as well. They are trying to be busy. They are at least showing you that they are busy. Yeah, so I don't feel very good vibe from your person, Sag. I don't know why they are just rolling and rolling and rolling, and they are not coming back to you. Let's see this King of Cups. Why the King of Cups is there in the blockage. So this is the blockage card. Let's see why the King of Cups is here. Ten of Cups. So this might be a family issue. Okay, so this can be somebody's family who is coming in between both of you. This can be a past person also, like somebody with whom you were married or your person was married, something like that. Somebody is married over here, somebody is like is involved in something else, and you came, okay, and you happened. So that's the energy which is coming up for me. I'm feeling, oh my god, 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Swords. Interesting. So I have got 3 tens in a row. It's it's completion. It feels like completion of something. Completion of some other marriage, some other relationship, and starting new, because you are going away from something. It might be going away from your past family, going away from something. You want to go towards them, it makes me feel that. But if they are not even ready, so what can you do? You are doing everything. You are even ready to end some other relationships as well for this person. But are you sure you want to be with this person? Because it's like they don't even know that. They don't even know what they want. Let's see why the King of Wands is here in yours action, in action of my Sagittarius. 5 of Wands and Ace of Swords. You want a clarity with the situation, although you are entering, you are just letting yourself into a big discussion, a big fight. It can be, it is more of a gossip. It is more of a, I want to clear some stuff. I want to clear my head, and let's just talk. You would like to talk with this person, but it's looking like, you already know that you are entering into something big. You know that thing, but you want it. You want to at least clarify the problems, whatever you both have, whatever. If this person is meant to be with you, he or she will be with you, and if it is not, it's not. So you want that clarity with this person. Let's see what does this person wants. This person surely wants new beginnings, but what kind of beginnings? Because with the Fool, this Fool is always like, let's just enter, let's just start new things. But what if, what will happen if this person is like, this girl is holding a stick over here. What will happen if this stick, she just fell down? What will happen then? So, you have to be prepared. So this is unplanned decision this person is doing. The Emperor, see? So your person's action is looking to me as if they want to enter in this relationship, but it's more of a dominant kind of a relationship. They want it, but they want it their way. It's my way or highway. So that is your person's thinking over here with you. Let's see. Queen of Wands. So yes, this person with the Queen of Wands and Emperor, I feel the same with both of them. Yeah. It's a really that my energy, I, me, myself, that kind of energy it always comes up with. All right, so let's see where the Page of Wands is over here. Page of Wands in the overall outcome of the situation. In the overall outcome of the situation. Six of Wands with the Page of Wands. Action is going to be taken. If it's not a relationship, but it can be just a talking, just a communication, because something is changing and things are changing in your favor. So if things will not work out, Sag, it's for good. Okay, so if anything is not working out, it's for your benefit, so don't worry about it. All right, so let's see what are the guardian angel messages for you from the deck, the answers from heaven. I'm going to take one card for you from the heaven. What is there from heaven? What does the heaven wants you to know? All right, answers from heaven. What is the message for my Sagittarius from their guardian angel who is in heaven? There's some kind of message your angel is sending you. Let's see, message for my Sagittarius. What is it? All right, you are ready to start all fresh, so don't doubt your capabilities. I am here with you. So your guardian angel is telling you that they are with you. Whatever, just go towards whatever you want, because success is there. See, Six of Wands, I see success, I see victory. If this person is not meant for you, there might be some other person. This might be, I really feel that there is something up in your career. Okay, so in your finances, you are going to do something. You will be in the limelight. So you are ready to start all fresh. If yes, you are ready. It's just the message from your guardian angel. So they are saying yes to that thing. So do not doubt your capabilities. You have that thing, Sag. Now it's up to you what you have to do. All right. So this is all from my side, Sagittarius. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.